I feel it. I feel it now.
Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 287 College Street. Here we have a beautiful 3-bedroom home plus a little separate sleep out at the back. Plus it's attached to a double garage. The home itself has been renovated throughout. Got a new kitchen, new bathroom, it's got high ceilings, polished floors, good living areas. All of this is sitting on a 1,000 metre square section. Well, that's enough from me. Let's go through and have a look.
I feel it.
As you can see, this home holds a lot of beauty. Come to my next open home or give me a call. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.